Jim J. Charlie M. and Ollie and 3 Mormon missionaries pray before they go out to case neighborhoods where only, yes, the children are home after school. Our Heavenly Father, please don't let any of us get caught, any missionaries get caught of the Mormon cult, stealing or raping or, casing those neighborhoods by an angry parent who doesn't like that. And yeah, they go out and these 2 senior citizens, retired, look out for it. One has an electric car. The other one, distracts the Mormons. The other one comes up behind them in the car, and the loudest one you've ever seen, jump out of their skin. Know some folks are watching that. Be the devil in their city.